etire kwandikwa kurithia
Athoma skuru ya Karumaru Primary School 62 marks iroro betete secondary
ndiro ngangite ntore imbombera kwe ndombo muri ni mbithineke ambira ambeleza story yake pro mbira kwithira abete marks 362 ndakinyira antomo muri na twire iko ambira etire kwandikwa ement kutana ataniro no atura na arraignment yetu jaira
na secondary ojuria kiroto kiawe gya gutwika daktari
ndio ni atokara koyoyo atokara mami onte baba na ontreti skuru ya Kanyanki na school na kiromba mtu oendibo ya oro kombonte derembete skuru mbeti kenda kyotoka ko kitike kurirante
akwata 362 onde mwe korote ne nyanda watiro kinyane ne onda ureni ndaka ngwatila maiseni
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, ntule ne idai wandini ya kanuni Igembe South County ya Meru.
Abisa munene wa Equity Group Daktari James Mwangina uritia arutwa kaunti ni Narok kurumira mathomo na gutigana mitugo ya kurwa mari anini akiaria ari sukuru ya sekondari ya Emurua Deril na baria araruguragia mubango wa banki wa Equity wa kuthomithia ciana. Mwangi nkurukino na itikimako kiawe ni ongere kuwa mekari kama ciana ciandaka utasukuru kaunti ni enu akere Antony Bawe governor wa kaunti ni enu tawe Samuel Oletanui nawe nkinyawe na Antony Bawe na ugite ati thirikari yawe igatigira ati ndwangi ici ingi ni kuthiria mitugo yonde ya Moran miario ino yawe ni gwatitwe mbaru mubungi wa gichugo kiu tawe Johana Ngeno uria ukathite nkinyaje mubango uyu wa Equity Group Foundation
to manage and to control your body. Use your intelligence to control the emotions being generated by hormonal transformation. We are losing a lot of our children, particularly the boys, because you think that, yeah, because you have grown beard, you are now a man like any other man, and you want to prove you are a man. So use your intelligence to say, no, I'm not a man, I'm a student. The man in school is the teacher. And for the girls, by the time you're in Form 3, you have started developing breasts and you'll be aware. And your hips will have started showing. And you start saying you are a woman. You are not a woman. The only woman in the school is your teacher. You are still a student.
Najua hii ni county ambaye walikuwa wamechukua mambo ya umrani. We are fighting it as a county government, and through churches, through education, through this youth, we are succeeding.
While I was in class 4, that was when I lost my dad, who was the breadwinner of the family. Then it became hard for my mom to provide for all of us. My mom was to give me off to be married. Many people were saying that I'll not join my high school since my mother could not provide for all of us. I got the form. I was brought by one of my neighbors. I was happy to get the form, and when I completed, I was happy when I was told that I have got a chance.
Gato kikanyaga kunogo kabanini utikathino akuni nguchoka na Nteto nkuruki.
Inya *812 *977# wekira nyoyo zetu jasikiza tuni yeku.
Ikhwani, tarku nufusi bila ilmin wala adabin katarki almaridhi bila tibbin wala asin. Ndugu zangu, kuacha nyoyo zetu bila ya elimu wala adabu ni kama kumuacha mgonjwa bila ya matibabu wala dawa.
Inya *812 *977# wekira nyoyo zetu jasikiza tuni yeku.
Guys, I'm
Kadhu. Yes. Ija. Joy motu jore kwa turugera narwa.
Mtujo ndagurite tukani na arakaja.
Jojo na kinyama no.
Ai.
Lakini ukama. Tuwakurekera mtu. Kwa Afya Plus.
Afya Plus.
Joy Jumutu.
He, juna mwaka vitamins na minerals. Andi ndeborugere. Kutegewe kumwekete.
Afya Millers Cooperative Society Limited athondeki bamituka thetunege tumero na ndiba kureterete Afya Plus mutujo nkima jongeri na minerals ya kuguna mwiri jwaku na nkimeri na shamaja boibo ikinye ndukene kana supermarket rere kwena agwe wigurire mutujo nkima jwa Afya Plus umadrenja ya kuwinge yegekeno. Our Afya, our pride.
Orengi inkogwate ugeni tukithina mbere Minister wa urimi Thaa Mugwanja augite ni mabingite munanda wa majani wa Mombasa na ni kumane na magori ma moruma agori munya ariuga munanda uyu utirugurwo mwankarira magori mama munanda uyu magetia na nonto wao augite ni maramitie ikumberia kwiga majani na munyankuruki kagitani okauna ugite pamuna ogu ni mebangite na guti murimi wa majani ukale thina nonto wa kwaga bonus ya majani nonto thirikari netengete mbia cia kuba arimi makimera yiki Boniface Mongera na gutobachio
biashara oringeri bo munanda wa majani kanatio shoni mushenejo Mombasa ikendelea kwethurera ungama mwangama gulije thiro jakiagira na kulingana kiwango kiria thirikari ikite ojo nabo kulingana ministry mya jande gorone jobona Thaa Mugwanja.
We can't continue talking. We must take action. If there is somebody who has a better idea than the one we have presented, bring those ideas. But don't tell us, don't withdraw tea from the market. The tea will be withdrawn from the market. And we are confident from our own analysis of the situation, the prices are going to improve. So give us time. Even today, if the tea is brought to the market and it doesn't attract the price, it will go back to the store. Even on Wednesday. And even Thursday, they have until beyond the cheap. Ones also participating in the market. They buy them direct sales unless we've not seen don't. SGR to Mombasa, the producer. Cotton. They are about stabilization.
Reporter Nteto TV kumaja kingine kitubuke Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.
Tukithina mbere omwaka ukaumano mwanka gukaru na ntere inyingi cia materere terikiwetu wa Nteto ntama gukurukira kene gicunshi kia mbere kerugonoro Mugwanja kuriungirwa nempara.
Nithaithome na mutori wa roje rwa guchamukia
mutegeri wa Weru anyentera kagitene gaka kinyate na kainyaga kumbukiawe
untuku kwa wa kuretera ane mwana gote arumwa kinyawe
oge kwa jaga mutika kantukara utubura ombekia kona gimbuga wikira riko no wage bia wikira riko na bokaima mera tubo kwa kerukiri
Baba na bobarani ngina na mwana bonthe bari na thina ya kurema kuigua na kurega guchioka bakirigira ujowe ore ni muntu mukuru ore no mwanka gatwengo geisiolo ya kura nguo kurani gataria kumaja na ameaga bakarara u
oria nabo ni oyuwe na ari asioro ikwari bare mairi yake oranguo kwa borona asioro oni bio tumambui bomberi no tubategento kinyoka ile la moje yo kwanwa utegento
gataria kangi wodine atho agita skuru na bangi kuthangika
ana bau bari gwa bai na ampare tonwa bari amberia kithomo thaiyele thaithato thainya mwana kamberia kumama hakundu atoe akario ukegwa kwe muntu
no kwe mtereiji nechio
Nteto ya mpara kuringana na oni ne affected kwa mfano wandi ya thwana yonthe ira oni tongeretie se area nene muno ya Tiania East kwithira mbura eta umbere kwana na
kwina area ngi ndene kibirichia e affect to ndene Meru County na ndene eto jwa ingirwe na kuma riri antu batigire kurima mwito kurima na batina kwa gwita so kindu kira
na miaka mingi antu bara baina miaka tuwe kuma 60 witia bara bate kumba otura turababwithia kibarua kana wita guntu kungi no so na antu bara baina conditions zingi cia kimwiri ya baba ina mawathe inyabo bare affected na inya ekuru bara extra bakia affected na inya sana
guatanira na oni tinyari Kenya ntuku ya rojo kuretere gishunje kyabire kya rugono ruro
Mubunge wa Ekuru kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Beatrice Nkathana kuria arutwo matigetikire kuthungira umaramarini indi ino mari rutha ruru nini akiaria Nkathana erite arutwo mama mitugo yao ya thaa ino niyo igaka miturire yao ya ruyu na nkuruki na uriti ciana cia ciari kumenyera bunene matikagwatikanekire utekani uria wongerekete banene a Kenya. Samuel Gaishima ena Nteto.
Warira kwigitwe kuri na wongere kubwa makarika maana kuwatwa mateka uturo bwago bugikagiro gwatini na bamwe baari kwinyangwa kiwendo. Mubunge wa Ekuru wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi Beatrice Nkathana na uritie arito baemenyere kagita kabari michie rutha rwa kiumia kimwe. Nkathana ariuria anabare batigetigirie kwinenkanira njarani cia anto batakumenya mathugania mara bari na mukiribo.
Mama akikutuma ama mzazi akikutuma mahali maneno ya pikipiki, kama amekupatia 50 bob ya kupanda pikipiki, patia hiyo mtu. Asiende kubeba wewe free. Si brother yako, sio baba yako, sio your uncle, mbona anataka kubeba wewe free? Na mama amekupatia
Nkurukina kubauria baimenyere kumanya na ngurano rira batakure kurikia chukuru ira akuga ikabainyangiria utoro bwago bwa nyumani.
Msichana amefika secondary school, hiyo ni mtoto ambaye anajua anakaa namna gani, anaenda wapi na anatembea namna gani. Sio watu huko nje kwenda kupotezea wakati wako. Then you lose your time. Ukuwe una maisha kwa sababu ya mtu ambaye ajui anaelekea wapi. Wasichana wetu nataka kuambia this is not time for anything else apart from masomo peke yake. Maneno ya boyfriend itafika. Wakati wa kuolewa iko na wakati wake. Hata Bible imetoa.
Nauritie ana babu bwanda wachia ntogona.
Vijana maneno ya kwenda kukunywa tu vitu kwa barabara huko mbitu. Wewe ni mtoto wa shule ambaye unajua hiyo maneno.
Kagita kabari michino ntobarutha akibauragia batikarekanirie wera ya kuraithiria ana kire arimogaki.
Mzazi mtoto ni yako and you have that shuleni hata akiwa nyumbani mtoto yako.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma gichigo bunge ya Chukegamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Gaishima.
Nteto cietu mbita wa Christine Wanjeru nkwendere ntukwembega.